Good morning.
Hi, Jonathan Bird. This is Lola Mae Bell. Can you tell Jonathan Bird something about yourself?
I'm 5.
How old are you really, Lola Mae Bell? Lola Mae Bell will be 4 at the end of the summer.
And I am almost 4.
You're almost 4. And Lola Mae Bell has seen every one of Jonathan Bird videos. And oftentimes, how many times do you watch them, Lola Mae?
A lot of times I watch them every day.
You watch them every day. And why do you need to watch them so many times?
Because I learn a lot.
Because you learn a lot. And you like to learn about the sea.
Yes.
And where do we live?
We live in Boulder, but can we come visit you soon?
Lola Mae Bell would like to visit you, Jonathan Bird. If you are ever going to be in San Diego, which is not Boulder, but we do go there every so often, maybe we could visit you there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So please go to San Diego.
Let's go to San Diego. And thanks for your shows.
What's your favorite show? Tell them your favorite show.
Yeah, tell them which one is your favorite one.
The Pirate Fairy.
Oh,
Pirate,
tell them
the
which one.
pirate.
Tell them which one of his shows is your favorite one. Which one of the Jonathan Birds is your absolute favorite?
The one where
Pirate, right?
Is it the pirate or is it Wilma?
Wilma the Whale.
Wilma the Whale. See that so many times. Wilma the Whale. Anyway, Jonathan Bird, we hope we can talk to you one day, maybe in San Diego or somewhere else by the sea.
I'm Jonathan Bird.